In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design professional emails with Canva. We'll build a clean, polished email that looks great and makes it easy for readers to take action. Start on the Canva homepage and type email or newsletter into the search bar to browse ready. Made templates. If you prefer a blank canvas and full control over your layout, create a custom size at 1100 by 700 pixels. Either route is fine, templates speed things up, while a custom size gives you a clear distraction-free starting point. Let's structure the design for a professional look. Think of your email as a simple story, a header with your logo to establish identity, a strong hero image to set the tone, a compelling headline that tells readers why they should care, and a clear call to action button that guides them to the next step. Head to the Elements tab to add shapes that function as buttons, dividers to separate sections, and simple graphic accents. Keep the header compact so your main message appears quickly, and let the hero image support not overshadow your headline. Your CTA should be obvious, with concise language that tells people exactly what will happen when they click. If you have Canva Pro, open your brand kit and apply your brand colors, fonts, and logos. This builds recognition and keeps everything cohesive. Consistent styles help readers trust the message and make your content feel unified across different campaigns. Now add your text and images. Personalize any template copy and aim for a 60-40 balance between text and imagery. That ratio helps with deliverability, reduces spam triggers, and makes the content easy to scan. Use short, clear paragraphs and straightforward subheads, so readers can grasp the key points at a glance. Choose images that reinforce your message and leave enough breathing room around each section so the layout feels calm and readable. Before you wrap up, ensure everything works. Add links to your buttons and images, so clicks go to the right place. Select each element and use the link option to paste your destination URL. Then use the zoom feature to check legibility. If your smallest text remains crisp and comfortable to read, you are in good shape. When you are finished, you can send a quick test email to confirm spacing and links or download the design. For the best results, choose Download and select HTML to preserve layout and links cleanly. That's it. Thanks for watching.